How to use a Swiss Army knife. A Swiss Army knife can be a useful tool in everyday life as well as in serious survival situations. The tools come with a wide variety of features, so you'll need to identify which functions are included in your particular knife. Small, compact pocket knives have the fewest features, standard Swiss Army knives boast the most features, and lock blade knives contain the most heavy-duty features. Using basic features. Learn how to use the main features. There is a wide variety of possible functions, but many of these are limited to expensive special-use knives. If you're using a simple, standard Swiss Army knife, then you'll probably only be working with 4 to 10 basic tools. Most Swiss Army knives include some combination of the following: large blade and small blade, corkscrew jon opener with 3 mm flathead screwdriver, bottle opener with 6 mm screwdriver, plus wire stripper and bender, reamer and hole punch key ring, tweezers toothpick. Use the large blade. This is the basic component of the Swiss Army knife. This blade is usually about as long and thick as the knife handle. Use it for almost anything that requires a knife. Be sure to exercise knife safety, always cut the knife away from your body, and be very careful not to let the blade snap shut with your fingers in the way. Cut your food, or gut a fish, or slice paper. Carve your initials into a tree or whittle a piece of wood into another shape. Cut anything that needs to be cut. Unfold the small blade. Your knife may or may not include a small blade. It usually holds the same shape as the large blade, only slightly smaller. Use it in situations that call for a more delicate touch. Use the corkscrew. Some Swiss Army knives include a metal corkscrew for opening wine bottles. Fold the corkscrew out so that it extends straight out from the knife, as though the knife body is the handle. Use the knife handle to twist the corkscrew into the cork, and pull firmly on the handle to remove the cork from the bottle. Be sure to remove the mini screwdriver first, if your knife includes this feature. Not all Swiss Army knives come with a mini screwdriver. Open cans with the can opener. This is not your modern twist-cut can opener, it is an old-school manual can opener. Put the lip of the can into the cap of the can opener, then press the sharp bit into the lid of the can until it punctures through. The tip of the can opener also functions as a 3 mm flathead screwdriver. You can also use the tip of the can opener on Phillips head screws, if you angle it to use the point instead of the flat breadth. You can also use the tip of the can opener on Phillips head screws, if you angle it to use the point instead of the flat breadth. Identify the bottle opener. Use this to open bottles of your drink of choice. The flat tip of the bottle opener also functions as a 6 mm flathead screwdriver. Use it when you need something larger than the 3 mm can opener screwdriver. Look for the wire stripper and bender. It is a small notch on the bottom of the bottle opener tool. Find the reamer. This tool is also known as an awl. Use it for punching holes in materials like leather or canvas, and for drilling or reaming holes into sturdier materials like wood. The tool is intentionally tapered so that you can enlarge a hole by digging deeper and scraping the sides with the sharp edge. Use the key ring. Find this hanging from the outside of your knife. You can use this to clip the knife to your key chain, your belt loop, or another handy location. You can also attach other useful tools or survival necessities to the Swiss Army knife to keep them in the same place. Pull the tweezers and toothpick from the end of the knife handle. The end of the tweezers usually looks like a small knob of gray plastic, while the end of the toothpick is a small knob of tan plastic. Make sure to wash the tweezers and toothpick after each use.